it justice, clean and tight. Every line contradicts the last you write. You name drop people, drag them through your show. Anybody bruise your pride gets buried in the flow. You shout, I'm ready, courts is not so fast. Take leave and fix it, 20 days, make it last. But you don't hear a word they say. You just reloading it, file again. I'm a shotgun substitute for reason and the truth. You're a wall of ego in a three-piece suit. You think the bench is cheering every move you make, but they just told you, son, clean up your mistake. You stretch the story, watch it bleed, add another name 'cause someone hit your feet. You say expansion, call it strategy, but it reads like wounded pride in parody. You think you're brilliant, steps ahead, but you circle back to things already said. Too much noise, no clear claim, but you double down and say the same. You don't trim, you multiply, every cut just passes you by. I'm a shotgun substitute for focus and for proof. You're a courtroom echo chamber, bulletproof. You think the rope is knotting every word you state, but they just gave you 20 days to amputate. 2,000 pages, now you want more. Add a few enemies, settle the score. Call it a case, call it your crown, but the judge just told you to cut it down. Too bad, too long, all claim, no wrong. I'm a shotgun substitute for everything you lack. You fire wild claims and call it an attack. You think you're building something they can't ignore, but they just sent it back, rewrite it to the core.